Okay, so here's a master lock. It's one of the aluminium types, 40mm long shackle. Very, very light. I don't imagine that it'd take very long at all to cut through one of these or force it in some other way. But let's pick it just to see how easy it is. There you go. Now, what's also interesting is these can sometimes be zipped, so that might be worth a shot. Let's have a look. And they can be quite roughly bullied. And if you turn the pick upside down and rock it back and forth, this one doesn't seem to be as quick and open. But nonetheless, we still managed to. So, bit of a useless lock. Don't buy them.